Do you have animals? I have 5 cats and a 100-pound dog.
Whoa, that's a lot of hair. You must do a lot of vacuuming.
Yeah, I sure do. But let me tell you about the greatest invention that's just come into my life. The Roomba. It's an electronic vacuum that moves from room to room, sucking up all the hair and dirt.
Well, we get to go do other things.
When it's full, it goes back to its station, empties itself, and gets back to work.
It's like your own little robot housekeeper.
It sure is, and it's even attached to an app, so it can be turned on or off from wherever I am. So it gives us more time for the fun things in life.
You need one too.